In our ever-accelerating world, humanity often seeks refuge in whispers,
Fluffy, fluffy.
gentle taps, and soothing crinkles. This phenomenon, known as ASMR, promises tingles of bliss and waves of calm, a symphony of subtle sensations. But what if this delicate construct of tranquility could be systematically unmade? Today at the Who Sit Dame Institute, our latest experiment dares to question, how is ASMR truly unmade? Dr. Elara adjusting controls on the Reverser 5000, which has a large, glowing, sound-dampening chamber, while Professor Zee is seated comfortably, eyes closed, headphones on, visibly experiencing bliss, with a faint smile across his face.
Welcome back to the Who Sit Them Institute. Our subject today is ASMR, the Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Professor Z is currently our test subject, experiencing a carefully curated ASMR sequence designed to induce peak relaxation.
Professor Z with his eyes closed and a blissful sigh.
Oh, the gentle whispers, the soft tapping. It's like 1,000 tiny angels doing a quiet tap dance on my brain. Pure serenity.
And that serenity, Professor, is precisely what our newly calibrated Truth on Weaver aims to deconstruct. We will systematically isolate and reverse the elements that contribute to the ASMR experience, revealing their untingling underlying truths.
Professor Z's eyes opened slightly, showing a flicker of concern.
Unmake the tingles? Is that even ethical? What if my brain forgets how to bliss?
Then go ahead and say your last goodbyes to what bliss feels like, Professor.
What? Then I totally object to this experiment.
Yo! Pipe down, Prof. Just pulling your legs. Of course your brain wouldn't forget how to bliss. That's not what this experiment is for.
Oh, you had me there, Dr. Elara. Good one. So what's it for?
For science, Professor. Shall we commence?
Oh yes, indeed.
Alrighty.
As she inputs commands into the Reverser 5000.
Commencing sensory deconstruction protocol.
Abstract sound waves representing gentle whispering begin to fragment, their soft edges pixelating and dissolving into individual, sharp, almost abrasive sound shards. Professor Z winces slightly, headphones still on, and a flicker of confusion on his face.
Phase 1. The whisper protocol. We are separating the comforting cadence of the whisper from the raw, unmodulated sound of vocalized breaths and precise lip movements.
Professor Z with his headphones still on, now looking more confused than blissful.
It's just sibilant pulse of air now. And I think I can hear someone eating in the background. My angels are having a snack?
Do angels even eat, Professor?
That's what I hear, I suppose.
A rhythmic, pleasant tapping sound on the screen begins to distort, becoming clunky, uneven, and slightly harsh, like objects haphazardly hitting a surface.
Phase 1 is successfully completed. Phase 2. Tangle isolation and deamplification. We are stripping away the resonant frequencies and deliberate rhythm that make tapping so effective. What remains is simply impact.
My brain is no longer tap dancing, Dr. Elara. It's doing an awkward interpretive dance in wet cement. My angels are angry. We have to stop already, before they start crying lightning, Dr. Elara.
Well, all that is happening in your brain, Professor.
She said sarcastically as the soothing crinkle sound on the screen turns into a harsh, grating static, then shifts to a sound reminiscent of someone just haphazardly rummaging through a bag. Professor Z has now removed his headphones, looking exasperated and slightly betrayed, as Dr. Elara proceeds to Phase 3.
Phase 3. Crinkle contemplation rehearsal. This final stage extracts the intentionality and contextual cues that allows the brain to perceive crinkle as soothing. What's left is often just friction.
It's just a crumpled receipt. My tranquil forest sounds like someone dropped their groceries. My tingles have been untingled.
He said with the headphones off, staring at the screen with a look of utter betrayal. The screen now shows a very mundane, slightly uncomfortable visual of the unmade ASMR. Perhaps just a close-up of a human mouth making a SH sound, a finger clumsily tapping a desk, and a crumpled piece of paper. Professor Z stares in comical horror, looking profoundly disappointed and slightly confused, while Dr. Elara observes calmly, a knowing smile playing on her lips.
Indeed, Professor. Our experiment demonstrates that ASMR, while a powerful sensory experience, is a delicate construct built upon specific frequencies, rhythms, and importantly, our perception and expectation. The brain, it seems, is a master of creating bliss from ordinary inputs.
So, my brain just enjoys watching people make awkward sounds with office supplies? What a letdown. I need a very loud coffee after this.
Don't do too much with the coffee machine this time, Professor. You remember what happened in our last experiment?
Oh, please, don't go there.
Nah, I think you shouldn't.
In the unmaking of ASMR, we discover not a loss, but a deeper understanding. The magic isn't in the sound itself, but in the intricate dance between external stimuli and our internal perception. It reminds us that even the most profound experiences can be built from simple elements, and that often the true wonder lies not in what is, but in how we perceive it to be. The Who Sit Dame Institute continues its pursuit of unmaking knowledge, inviting you to see the world differently, one unmade concept at a time. Join us next time.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment your thoughts, subscribe, and follow for more. Arigato.